Before I begin designing, I actively seek inspiration for 10 minutes. I find my best ideas unconventionally. The person behind the ideas is Madi Arteaga, digital collage artist and fellow creator. I partnered with Adobe stock to revive your imagination. We also cannot forget free play. So then, where does inspiration come from? Inspiration grows from exploration, experimentation, and intention. Now made easier with the new Adobe stock panel in Adobe Premiere. Storytelling grows out of exploration. Infinite stories can be told because there are no limits to exploration. The creative game recently changed for me when I discovered the new Adobe stock panel in Adobe Premiere. First click Windows, then scroll down and click New Adobe Stock. Shortly after, a new panel will emerge, and voila! Endless exploring. Exploring with no plan is sometimes the best plan. There's even a search filter to exclude generative AI content. An easy way to make your videos even more engaging is adding a transparent overlay to your video or even a background. Lately, I've been into exploring optical illusions and pairing these on top of photos, but let's do something more Sunset Freeway and search sunsets. Before I start exploring, I ask myself, what do I want to make my audience feel? Because this encompasses the direction for my exploration. Nature is a metaphor for creativity. With growth, change, and seasonal cycles, nature's here to remind us that creativity does not have to be forced, it only requires you to be present. Nature's sounds, colors, and patterns all act as sensory inspiration for us. It's time to explore nature and your creativity. When we experiment, we remove the pressure from perfection. There's no right outcome, only exploration. Experimenting also builds trust. It shows us that ideas grow through action and not waiting. The Adobe Stock Unlimited plan is the backbone to all of my projects. It gives me access to all the videos, images, and graphics I need to create my ideas and bring them to life. Inspiration rewards those who play. Remember the clip earlier of me stepping through the lights? I'm going to layer it on top of the video I downloaded of the moon, just to see what it looks like, because I have free will. There is power in trying without knowing and making without guarantees. I'll show you the Adobe stock search filters that will help save you so much time. This time, I'm excluding Gen AI content, making it available in 4K. I'm thinking around 20 seconds. This detail really helps me focus. And for the orientation, vertical. Let's see what I get. The Adobe stock search filters helps you find what you need faster and aligns you with creative intention. I intentionally added a beautiful sunset and palm trees. Now it's time for you to try Adobe Stock's Unlimited plan in the new Adobe Stock panel in Adobe Premiere. It's time to free your imagination. I can't wait to see what you create.